guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we have another new complete disaster clean with me. You guys, we have so much cleaning motivation in this video. I'm going to be taking down all of my Christmas decor and cleaning up our dirty house. I hope you guys get all the motivation that you guys need to tackle your to-do list, and let me know if you are actually cleaning with me today or if you're just hanging out and watching. I would love to hear from you in the comments, and without further ado, we're going to go ahead and get started. So I do want to mention that it was a dark and rainy day on this day, which was a perfect day for cleaning after the holidays and getting everything put back in its place and put into storage. Let me know what your favorite day of the week is to clean. Is it on a Sunday or Monday? Let me know in the comments. So I do want to mention that today's video is a collab with my friend Emily from Mama from Scratch. This is one of my very best friends in life, and she does amazing content, you guys. She has so much motivation, mom lifestyle videos. She does tons of DIYs and decor. I love her decor. She has the most creative ideas, and she's just really good at creating a cozy home for her and her family. So definitely go check out her video after mine, you guys. You'll get tons more motivation today. She's also taking down decor, cleaning her house, all kinds of good stuff, just getting things done. So I'll have her links in the description box. So when I was cleaning the kitchen, it was super sweet, but my husband and my daughter and my son, they were taking out trash and some boxes from Christmas and kind of just pitching in. So we were all kind of coming together and cleaning up the house together for a little bit, but they were just doing it behind the scenes, but it was super sweet, and I was really happy to get that kind of help.
I keep on thinking back on it, when we escaped with our first real paycheck. Wasn't much, but we needed less, yeah, than we do now. We were driving along the coast. I felt the ocean breeze on my face. Wanted to go as far as we...
Let me know if you've taken down your Christmas decor yet, or if you're still enjoying it. I typically like to take mine down after the new year, but being that I am doing my home refresh series, I am going to be having the first episode coming to you guys really soon. I needed to go ahead and get my Christmas decor taken down for that series. If you're new and you haven't heard about the series, I've talked about it in some of my videos, but I'm basically going to be doing some things to my house, getting new decor, reorganizing, changing some areas, some spaces, and I'm going to be sharing all of that with you guys. I'm going to be doing it on a budget and just kind of revamping the house and switching up my decor a bit. So if you're excited for that, please hit that subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up. I would love for you guys to be a part of that journey. I have a lot of stuff to share with you guys, so look forward for that.
Everything that we lack, nothing compares to the freedom we had. I would do it again if you say the word. So many years have passed, but even though we were broke as hell, I wouldn't change anything. I wouldn't change anything. If I throw a coin down a wishing well, I wish I could feel it again, the way that I felt for you then. 'Cause even though I wouldn't change anything.
So I definitely jumped on the bandwagon and went ahead and decided to try out these famous ecloths. And you guys, I am completely in love. Not only do I get to have the easy route by just adding water to the towel and just wiping clean, I also don't have to have tons of products in the air and kind of bothering my sinuses and just everyone inhaling all of those products. So I'm really excited about just using a little bit less and natural products than I usually do, and I'm loving them. They're doing a great job. I have the stainless steel ecloths, and then I have the window and glass ones, and they are both amazing, and I plan to go ahead and pick up some more to try out. If you guys want to try them out, I actually have a link down below if you want. I think they give you $10 and they give me $10 if you use the link. So if you want to use that link, it's just a referral link from their website. You can also use it too when you purchase from them. I definitely recommend them, and I'm really glad I tried them out.
Let me be right by your side, because I know that this is right. Don't be shy, just get to know me. We can take this somewhere else. You and me can find ourselves. Stop pretending we are lonely.
So if you follow me on Instagram, you've probably seen my Instagram stories where I talked about picking up some of these bins for $1 and $2 from a garage sale a few weeks ago. So it was an awesome come up, and I did get some extra bins. So right now I'm just kind of putting all of the decor in there that I want to keep. And there's actually a few things I went ahead and decided to put in a donation pile that I didn't use this year and I probably won't use next year. So also another thing that I am doing, and that is just kind of a friendly tip, is if you do have a lot of flocked things like pine cones and garland and stuff like that, what I did is just grabbing some regular grocery store bags and kind of throwing some of those smaller pieces into those bags, just so when you're packing them away, you're not going to have a mess all over your other decorations. I'm so satisfied by watching people clean off the dirtiest spaces and areas in their home. Let me know in the comments if this satisfies you.
If it was only me and you.
So I went ahead and put our special ornaments in this tiny little box here, just so they're kind of separated from the rest of the decorations and we know right where they're all at.
Blow my mind with a warning. You dug sleep deprived.
So as you can see, we went ahead and cleaned until the nighttime. So we are going to be putting away some more decor, but I realized I did not have enough bins to take the Christmas stuff down from upstairs. So I do have to go ahead and go to the store. The next day I end up going and I clean some more the next day for you guys. So stay tuned.
Everything will probably go in and out of one thorn, and we break. Airborne as we face misconceptions, picture perfect, a balanced blend and some pretend. In and out.
So I went ahead and sprayed my sink with this Ever Spring multi-surface cleaner, and I'm gonna go ahead and just kind of let it sit there and do its job, and then I'm gonna go in with my e-cloth and clean the mirrors. I really like this window or glass e-cloth. It's really good on the mirrors, it's good on windows, and it does a great job. So all you do to activate it is get it wet, and then you will clean with the first towel, and then you'll go in with the second towel, which is to kind of just dry up and do like the finishing look, and it just leaves the mirror looking amazing. Now I'm just going in with my regular microfiber towel and cleaning up the sink. If you guys are enjoying this video and getting tons of motivation, I would appreciate if you guys hit the thumbs up button. It just helps out my channel and it allows me to know which videos you guys are enjoying.
Summertime, and I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, 'cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me breaking your sweat. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want. So keep us awake till the dawn. Baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me. I got you wrapped around my finger, but don't you try to call me tomorrow. There's nothing personal in having a little fun.
So on top of all this dresser, we have a lot of Christmas decor that I needed to put away, and then we're just kind of rearranging her accessories, like her jewelry box and her basket, and some little things that she got for Christmas. And down here we have tons of clutter everywhere. There's so many things that needed to be thrown away and put back in their places. We had activity things that needed to go downstairs in our activity cupboard and all that good stuff. So that's what we're doing here.
Make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me.
watch me break it. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want, so keep us awake till the dawn, baby.
It always feels good when you finish up cleaning the last space in your house that you wanted to clean up. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and got tons of inspiration and motivation and ideas for putting away some of your Christmas decor. Again, comment down below, say hi. I'd love to talk to you guys down there. And don't forget to check out Emily's channel. I will have her link in the description so you guys can get some extra motivation today. I hope you have a wonderful day. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.